In this video, we'll show you 6 life hacks you need to know. Reuse flip caps. Can't get that last bit out of your pump bottle? Replace it with a flip cap and store the bottle upside down. Cool your drink fast. Cool down that room temperature drink fast by wrapping a wet towel around the bottle. Place it in the freezer for about 15 minutes and enjoy that ice-cold refreshment. Aluminum foil with batteries. Don't have the right size battery? Extend small batteries using a wad of aluminum foil to make them fit. Remove egg yolks. No need to fuss with the shell, easily remove egg yolks with an empty bottle. Mess-free ice pack. Wet a sponge and place it in a Ziploc bag. Stick it in the freezer for 20 minutes and voila, instant ice pack. Make mini lanterns. Turn your small pocket flashlights into lanterns to easily light up any space. Fill an empty bottle with water. Then secure the flashlight on top with some tape. Creates a nice ambience and great when camping or during blackouts. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.